The vlog's starting now.
What's up, boys? We're here in Copenhagen for the Red Bull Denmark Copenhagen event. This weekend we're going to be wakeboarding right here in the city center. We've got our first practice session going about right now. The guys are just doing the first tests on the course. And turns out we actually only have 8 laps of practice. And it's a pretty crazy course to only have 8 laps of practice on. So I'm gonna get changed, I'm gonna get out there, see how the boys feel about the setup, and then we're gonna go try it out, and hopefully we can come up with a run in 8 laps, because the contest starts tomorrow and we've got our training right now. So it's on, boys. This is one thing I really love about Red Bull events, is they always bring the setup right here into the city center, which I think is so cool, and we get to ride in places where we usually would never ride, and ride obstacles that we really usually would never ride. So I'm hyped for this weekend. It's gonna be a good one, boys. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a beautiful weekend in Copenhagen. Let's fucking go. You have a nice dildo on your camera. I like it.
You want it?
We're here, Red Bull Copenhagen, ready to send it.
Super fuck on Saturday night.
How does it feel being here without your board?
Man, fuck Swiss Airlines, fuck this shit, man. I'm not enjoying it.
Michelle's the only guy here with a manager, huh? What is it like being Michelle's manager?
Yeah, it was good. Much money. I mean, it's full of money. It's from Lumezzana. They do a lot of things, weapons, something like that.
I sell weapons.
Full of money.
Oh yes, Gunther.
Hey, brother.
Show us your sexy warm-up routine.
I mean, just gotta stretch out. It's all about that, you know what I'm saying? Gotta stretch it out.
Speed on that thing.
Michelle, you ready for the first training?
Sketchy.
Madonna.
Woo! Alright, boys. Let's try this thing out.
La tensione bien. El chico tiene mucha tensión. Uy.
Well, there you go, boys. That's pretty much the whole practice we get. So let's see how we get on tomorrow.
4 laps of pure enjoyment.
It was actually super fun.
It looked really fun. He killed it.
Hey, bro.
You look good. Nice
Have
flip.
fun out there, bro.
Hey, thanks. Random, like my fit.
Dude, it's kind of sexy.
Guys, this is the Graham Charot 2024.
Oh, it's half Graham Burrs, half Jules.
Yeah.
Do we have to wear a helmet?
If you want to.
Okay.
I mean, all the other hand. Okay. Almost.
You have to.
You have to.
Safety first.
Safety first, also in the photo shoot. Like?
Say Vittorio.
Vittorio.
That's great, we'll make a few here.
Go.
Nice. Thank you.
Sick, thank you.
Have fun.
Luke, you want to borrow my helmet?
No, I'm gonna wear this shit.
Man, helmet, you don't need the spicy shit, man. For the vlog, man. Copenhagen.
Good. Nice, and arms down. Yes.
You're so sexy, Luke.
Great. Nose a bit down.
And Megan, that looks sick.
I'm locked in.
Let's go. Guy, what's the morning routine here?
Every morning we walk out this goddamn bridge and we dip. We dip.
We dip, more. The water's cold, huh?
It's not cold, mate.
It's freezing.
20 degrees, brother.
Fucking minus 20 degrees. Come on. Boys, I'm scared to go in. Oh, it's colder today, huh? Goddamn, boys, this is the way to start your morning. I fucking love the new routine here in Copenhagen. It's beautiful. Spicy. Easy.
Easy. Hold it on the wings, yeah?
The wings, huh? Man, for the vlog, please. Do it for the vlog.
Just for the vlog. Then put it down to them. Just like that. So scared.
Hey, do one, come on, man. Jesus, look there. Stay. Stay. Stay.
Michelle.
Stay. Stay. He got the whole canvas. It went like. Alright, boys, so today is the day. Red Bull Copenhagen is about to go down. My first head-to-head is with Mr. Luke Pericos.
Mandem!
The toy boy.
Mandem!
So yeah, boys, it's on, huh?
The local boys are here together, so fuck yeah, let's go.
We're gonna fuck shit up, let's go! Scissors to see who goes first.
Alright.
Let's go!
On shoot, yeah?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go!
Good luck. Good luck, brother.
Let's get it!
Kom op! Back to! Træk den tilbage! Super! Du cleaner sig op på Maujim her. Ja, det er lækkert. Fint dejligt. På Maujim. 50-50. Ja, klikker på. Så sejler den til den. Flipper! Sporet første rand. Vi gik op på Victor her. Så var han DJ'en. Let's go! Kata! Power! Kæmpe attack! Skal den lige cleanes op her? Hopper ud og Dan! 60 ud! Og hvad finder han på bolden? Nu spænder der! Flipper! Dan!
So your boy made it through to the semifinals and now I'm head-to-head with Mr. Jules Charot.
Let's go!
Let's go, man.
Come on, Dick Mark!
Så bliver en smagning på. Basker op anden her. Basker op, spændt for. Prober igen. Popper op til siden. Godt start. Nem start. 64 ud. Og hvad finder han på? Bang! kæmpe stort her. Sætter sig der. 180. Lip slide. Yeah! No! That's so true. Let's go, Storm!
Boys, so it's the last fucking contest for me for my Euro Tour, and I'm in the fucking finals. We got me, Kieran Owens, and Clement Nadal. We're gonna rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first in the super finals, and then it's on, boys.
Okay, let's go. For break set. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Woo!
Let's behave. Og bevæg igen. Gerne. Kokikker. Kroger. Blåtsvær. Solfjell. Der hiver han op af hatten. Still grip. Læg frem i over. Kæmpe flip. Der har han til os på kikkeren. Minus. Og det ser godt ud. Ja.
That's a wrap for the Euro season, boys. We finished up second at Copenhagen Open. On Monday, we fly back to Bangkok, and that's a wrap, boys. See you in Bangkok.
I think I put in the trash my phone.
Lost your phone?
Yeah, exactly.
In the trash in McDonald's. Nah.
Try to...
No, Michelle. You hear it? You hear it? Yeah.
Wait. Okay. Está sonando.
No!
Fuck!